Demonstrative pronouns, what are they? Well, they're pronouns in the first place, which means that they have antecedents. Every pronoun has an antecedent. Just like 3 sides is essential to the existence of a triangle, so an antecedent is essential to the existence of a pronoun. A pronoun is not a pronoun unless it has an antecedent. Well, these demonstrative pronouns have antecedents, and they're very easy to memorize because there's only 4 of them in English: this, that, these, and those. And they have some obvious features here. This and that are singular, and these and those are plural. Furthermore, some people will talk about this and these as being the near demonstrative pronouns, and that and those as being the far demonstrative pronouns. And the reason for that is that the demonstrative pronoun is often used as a pointer. This book, or these sheep. And this and these are used to point out objects that are quite near, and that and those are used to point out objects that are far or more distant. The function of demonstrative pronouns can be either adjectival or substantival. Adjectives, of course, by review, will answer these 3 questions: how many, what kind, and which one. And a substantive is any word that has a noun function. A noun function like a subject or an object or a predicate nominative. So first let's look then at an example of a demonstrative pronoun functioning as a substantive. And here you can see the scripture text. This is the Moses who, from Acts. And the verb is obvious, is. Is always a verb. And the subject of that verb is this. Now this is a demonstrative pronoun, and since it's the subject of the sentence, and since subject is a noun function, this instance of this is a substantival use of the demonstrative pronoun. Now, demonstrative pronouns can also function as adjectives. So here we have another text, again from Acts. And again, we have a demonstrative pronoun this, but notice this time that this Jesus, the this is modifying Jesus, and therefore it's adjectival. Jesus is a noun, and anything that modifies a noun we call an adjective, or something that's functioning adjectivally. So here we have an adjectival use of the word, or of the demonstrative pronoun this. So to determine the function, an easy thing to remember is that if this, that, these, or those is performing any of the noun functions, then it is substantival. If it's not, then it is adjectival, since there's only 2 options for demonstrative pronouns.